Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we give you the real scoop on trending products. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best makeup brush set professional synthetic, the BS Mall 14-piece makeup brush set in purple. Now, let's set the scene. Whether you're just starting out with makeup or you're a seasoned beauty enthusiast, the tools you use can make or break your look. That's where this BS Mall set comes in. It's designed to give you that flawless, pro-level finish without breaking the bank. You're getting 14 carefully selected brushes, each one designed for a specific step in your makeup routine. From foundation and powder to concealer, eyeshadow, and brows, every brush you need is right here. And they're not just randomly thrown in. This set is curated to cover all the bases. You'll find blending brushes, shading brushes, eyebrow tools, and even contouring options to help shape and define your features. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful design. These brushes come in a sleek, purple tone with elegant rose gold accents, making them not just functional but stylish too. You won't feel embarrassed pulling these out of your makeup bag. And speaking of bags, yes, this set comes with a travel case. It's compact and perfect for on-the-go glam sessions or just keeping your brushes organized at home. Now, let's talk bristles, because that's what really matters. These are made from soft, synthetic nylon, meaning they're 100% vegan and cruelty-free. But don't let the word synthetic fool you. These bristles are dense, silky, and incredibly gentle on even the most sensitive skin. They hold product well and blend beautifully, helping you achieve that airbrushed effect with minimal effort. One thing we really appreciate about this set is its versatility. The brushes come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit every face shape and makeup style. Whether you're highlighting, contouring, or just adding a pop of shimmer to your lids, you'll find a brush that gets the job done with precision. BS Mall has clearly put a lot of thought into the user experience. The handles are lightweight but sturdy, offering a comfortable grip that makes application smooth and controlled. This is especially helpful for beginners who are still learning how to maneuver different brush types. And if you're wondering about value, this set punches way above its price tag. You're getting salon-quality tools for the cost of a single high-end brush from some other brands. Whether you're building your kit from scratch or looking to upgrade your current collection, this is a smart buy. To wrap it up, the BS Mall 14-piece professional synthetic makeup brush set is everything you want in an affordable beauty tool collection. It's stylish, functional, skin-friendly, and beginner-approved. So if you're ready to level up your makeup game, this set is a fantastic place to start. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the best products out there. Catch you in the next one.